All right, for next project I got going on in the shop is my toolbox. I've had this toolbox for several years now. I bought it when we were in our old house, and my workshop was in my garage. So it was very useful at that point to store a lot of tools and stuff in it. But since moving here and building my shop, a lot of my tools I have on the walls and stuff like that, so I don't need as much room in my toolbox. So I have bought a new toolbox that I'm going to move this one out. I'm going to leave some of the stuff in it. Some of the stuff I use for like in the house for household stuff, like, you know, any minor repairs or anything I got to do inside the house. And I'm going to move this into the garage. And I'm going to replace it with a bench style tool cabinet, so that way I have my wall back. The reason I want my wall back is because, as you can see, that's where my planes are. And planes being over there with my workbench over here, it makes it a little difficult. Not really difficult, I just have to walk over there if I get any hand tools or anything I needed. So I'm going to put all my hand tools on the wall above where the toolbox is going to go. So I'll have a pretty good place to do it. So it'll all go right back here. So the other toolbox is about the same height, but it gives me that whole wall there to build my till and everything else for all my hand planes, and get all my tools over here by the workbench. So that way, anytime I'm working on the workbench, I have everything over here that I need instead of having to go over there to get it and bring it back over here. So that's the next project going on. So I'll show you the toolbox and when I get it in place. So if you have any questions, just leave me a comment below. Thanks. All right, here we go. So this is the new toolbox that's going to be replacing this one. Not quite as tall, but I think it'll hold everything that I currently have in this toolbox. So this one, like I said, it'll go in the garage, but I just wanted to show you the difference between the two. All my Makita stuff is gonna go just sit on top of it until after I build my till, and then I'm gonna probably hang stuff under it. But just wanted to show you that both boxes are Husky, got it from Home Depot. The reason I went with white on this one is because the two portable workbenches that I got that I use a lot in the shop have been excellent for me, so I figured I wanted to just go ahead and match those. So I'm going to match those, and like I said, this is going to go in the garage, and I have some black metal cabinets in there that this will match, so it's going to go in there. So these are the two. I'm getting ready to move everything over. After I get it all set up, I'll bring you back in. All right, I finally got it all done. I got the big toolbox out, and it's in the garage. Finally got the other toolbox in here now, and finally got a couple new tills that I built for all my planes and everything. So I got everything over here by the workbench now, so it's a lot easier to get to. I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out. Built this little rack here to hold my drills. Got all my planes, everything laid out there, and all the rest of my tools in the bottom of the toolbox. Of course, like I said, it's right here by the workbench, so it's a whole lot easier to use it. Leaves a little bare area over there where it was, but I'll figure something out. I'll think about building some cabinets or something over there, but I think it turned out pretty good. I like the way it looks. Let me know what you think. Let me know in the comments. Thanks.